Do you ever feel like your body's battery just won't hold a charge? You get plenty of sleep, you eat fairly well, maybe even exercise, but still you drag through the day. What if I told you there's a simple sugar molecule that your cells depend on, like your electricity for your house, and most people have never even heard of it? Today, we're talking about D-Ribose, a supplement that could be the missing link in your energy, recovery, and even heart health. So let's dive in. Before we talk benefits, let's answer the obvious. What exactly is D-Ribose? Well, D-Ribose is a naturally occurring simple sugar, but don't confuse it with table sugar. It's not something that spikes your blood sugar and makes you crash. Instead, it's a building block for one of the most important molecules in your body, ATP, or adenosine triphosphate. Think of ATP as your body's fuel currency. Without it, your muscles can't contract, your heart can't pump efficiently, and your brain can't think clearly. D-Ribose helps your body actually make ATP, and that's why people take it for energy and recovery. So how does this little sugar translate into big energy? When your cells are stressed after exercise, illness, or even chronic conditions like fibromyalgia or heart disease, ATP levels drop. Normally, your body rebuilds ATP slowly, but with D-Ribose, you're supplying the raw material that speeds up the process. Imagine running out of gas and having to push your car to the gas station versus someone handing you a full gas can. That's the difference D-Ribose can make. It helps refill your cellular gas tank faster. All right, now for the part you've been waiting for. What can D-Ribose actually do for you? Many people with chronic fatigue syndrome or fibromyalgia report feeling more energetic. Some studies back this up, showing improved stamina and less post-exertional exhaustion. The heart is an energy-hungry organ. D-Ribose has been studied in patients with congestive heart failure and ischemic heart disease, showing improvements in exercise tolerance and quality of life. Athletes sometimes use D-Ribose to recover faster from intense workouts because it replenishes muscle energy stores. There's emerging evidence that D-Ribose may support mental clarity and reduce brain fog in some people. Now, is this a magic bullet? No, but for some, it can be a powerful tool. So if you're thinking about trying D-Ribose, how do you do it safely? Most studies use doses of about 5 to 15 grams per day, often split into 2 to 3 servings. It usually comes as a powder you can mix into water, juice, or even your protein shake. Best tip? Take it consistently, because ATP rebuilding isn't instant. It happens over days to weeks. Many people notice gradual improvements rather than a dramatic overnight boost. Of course, no supplement is perfect. So what should you watch out for? For most people, D-Ribose is very well tolerated. The main side effects are mild digestive issues like bloating, diarrhea, or low blood sugar in sensitive individuals. That last point is important. If you have diabetes or are on medications that lower blood sugar, you'll definitely want to talk to your doctor before starting. And as always, supplements should complement, not replace, good nutrition, movement, and sleep. So, is D-Ribose right for everyone or just a select group? Based on current evidence, D-Ribose seems most useful for people with chronic fatigue syndrome or fibromyalgia, people with congestive heart failure or other energy-demanding heart conditions, athletes looking to speed up recovery, and anyone struggling with persistent low energy despite good lifestyle habits. If that sounds like you, it might be worth a conversation with your healthcare provider. So here's the bottom line. D-Ribose isn't a flashy stimulant. It won't give you the wired buzz of caffeine. Instead, it's like giving your cells the raw material to do what they're supposed to. Make energy naturally. If you're tired of dragging through your day, or if you're looking for a more science-based way to support your energy, D-Ribose might be worth exploring. If you want to see the brands I recommend, I'll put links in the description below. And if you'd like to learn more about other supplements that boost energy and recovery, check out the video on the screen. My name is Pharmacist Michael, and like I always say, be happy and be healthy. I'll see you in the next video.